Ebusianfo aha Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turning on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, Usabeka Biama Washe. Ebusianfo, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Omampeni. Sisi Ayɛka no, or see or call working visit. 5 days working visit. Ewa South Korea. Now, sir 5 days working visit or call no. Media men who say North South Korea for president, the media men who I have not seen anything of the sort. Meaning pass who say Mampeni sorry say or call working visitor. Ideally no, so call share Mampeni was a okronusu eso. But where the ambanasa. Na ebusian for enena make off through Facebook and who say Mampeni page no or that South Korean for University Baku IFR Yonsei University, as I say, man honorary PhD. Man honorary PhD. And yes, sir, wakos kwasya and you. Yes, say a man free. Now, a honorary PhD ever demo. You see, public service, good governance, and democracy. And say, hey, you're safe for public service. Some papa no answer you. Or the position that is sorting ni nuanom out. Any ni ho. Aramunim. You answer for. Eya mu ni ma mu baby sami. Na me cry gist ni fila ni nyina. Mu si John Mahama is excellency yeah. Then democracy. Or champion democracy. Ale na mu ni esi mu ntiana. 2020 yakoto aba. John Mahama lost. His Excellency John Mahama, he lost. 2020, on himself, he lost. But he never considered defeat. When Jitumuda, he even went ni political party or muko court. Court bisa almost say, bring your evidence, almost say, ni evidence bia. Later on, say, nipa oya mu general say, omu chairman, on no na koka say, na bebra na omko court ni na omu ni any evidence bia, but I did be on just to save face. And the nipa ultimately lose the election. Now on Jin Tuma or champion democracy saying. You know say for or champion democracy na saying to even merit an honorary PhD. And I say na mean say most of the time African universities be na or multimiji bribe. And you say for some statistics jimuji bribe na. Na brofo no so there say only mama you know how they work. Ebia mo big deal be or Ghana High, so they have to pamper the president small, give him some fake PhD degrees so that when they come the ground will be fertile for them. Until them it say. Ebuso enu kra ni nya asem no. Ohun delegation His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Eddie course South Korea no. Ebusianfo. Dang. Nipa John Mahama His Excellency. Eddie course South Korea honuma. Side chick. Asofofo. Ya bisa ya hu say John Mahama His Excellency onya Jubilee bia. Eba ne say na ukokoji award. Honorary PhD degree no. Amfa wiri anko. And then now amfa ye mami Lɔrdina Mahama anko. Because ye hu ye Akufo-Addo time ebra okojo any honorary PhD Akufo-Addo jibia no nire gina ne nchen. Eba Mahama nko ande a debi onu kwa na eko. Yesu yenim say enya ade a eye say Lɔrdina Mahama ye mame no e oyare onye debi. Ni ho ndi ankasa. Eje wujanfo ni profo a John Mahama edi koye no o de ninua Joyce Bawa ekoye. O de Papa Bebre, and most importantly, or the Rosemont Mukai Rosemont na. They are now here reception of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia officer 2 weeks to election na. Or switchy and now oko try cross I be MPP Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so na. O de nukoye. Oh no na nkrofo ka say onu na ye side chick na e dia na kodi. Me de nyemi na meka o. Me de menim ho hwi. I was going through the internet and I saw it somewhere in rumor be. Now I saw for Bakuso I was why Dr. McQueen. I was on so called then. Oh, wait a misuma ye papa Najagizi. Misuma no pa. Because the way Najagizi so for aye Juma Bomodin ama Mahama. They be all shenkom, NDC bebo, Mumbon payo, NDC bebo, Mama beba biomo. Sir NDC ababa ma. Sir mo pass off for bia mudi no beko trips be say. Yen Najagizi. Nye bedu kobimu. Radio etiremu nyina lesson. Sir NDC no omunye reliable baku say. They are not reliable. Yeah. 2028 ebeye dekeke. Ebede because I saw for you now but deep within them. Meaning some of them who are already coming behind closed doors to come and strike deal with MPP. So they are disappointed. Mama ni omo endini ye. Mama ni omo endini ye. Ebusian for. Before you go and listen to a very interesting conversation that I have for you in Ebusian for, look, a person MBA studio or a pamu chow time cop. Yes, so TV blog now. You say expanding, any more channels, any more news, more kind of say analysis. Eddie Bremer. A person MBA in entertainment aspect of a year show. No, now total cost me 25,000 Ghana cedis. Kakrawu. Yeah, how this swa. Enti me, one ambe boy. It is a plan. And that go for now, Musani, go for Musani Senino. The Munina Asi. Kito bien so. Okay? The number is down on the screen. Can you take it and help us out? Now, let's go and listen to this conversation. Don't go anywhere. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Now, I'm at $1 million. Oh no, man, $1 million. I doing what they heading. Se kodu egu ho, kodu ba akon eda ho. That's $1 million that wa. I do e be trusu your friends say kodu ba akon e $1 million no ho.
Go forward here. Jimmy. Jimmy. They say, won some one. On the after what where jet here, Bahama AUC. Yeah, what platform is where I can say, any jet, and any granny there, Mahama Nadia.
And the open secret.
Yes, that's the word for it, a phrase for it, open secret. Because last year, you see the brand jet, no, Ufusuko China, Udinko for you know. I say, I buy into your Nia free, Meboa.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And yeah,
safe.
And right then of Zuka to Kai, or see the Trian, and ne, or see the Trian for on a landing fees. You know, they be I before the home.
Yeah.
I say, we open only and this for say, I say, no credit. Na fu on the kind of boy saying. Nekufu do the 20,000.
Omunim nyansan say I say me cook masim be no be so mama left. Na o mama left. Ye de ko dru krobi ben kwan so ye fra wo abosuo kan. Ye wo fufuo ho. Fufuo ni akant na ni ba na we no. Se nka me family VIP etua me 1.5 de ko ya. Ka fa so so. Fufuo ni na mo we no. De obehu o kwan so bia wo pe bi. Who atabia ope who wa ye dey ope.
So you know, if you look at it, what do you emphasize in your crowd and Uyuswa? There's a huge conflict of interest there. Huge. Yeah. And so when you can
I wouldn't be at it. I didn't know they complain a wood to know. A dear didn't go or they call. A dear no free and the goom or they call. What was some awesome?
Last year, Reverend Tune for Joko fast story be by. Okay, planes been a bell and day to car. See, okay, story no.
And two patches say where they want to walk on where the Ghana for it is alleged.
Allegedly, of course.
A Jania maybe good. Hannah Sania Mano and then use of a day.
Media and that's some puna me. They won't put them in person because but I think go forward the only plane, say me. Okay, Airbus. Now last year, helicopter could feel the pay book. Afe, Ubra Koto play for. Last week, you almost got a helicopter. So, yeah, I saw Kubi ko bomb by you, so no. Not to force engine, Ubi. Maba, 14 months in here. There's nothing, there's not a single policy which I implemented. Last week, near platform, I could in this in Basso. Oh, no, see, you know, your time Ghana, your time Mahama, and yes, when you're no buy and never a dorsal, and there's soon your list to be. Unia, why only $1? Number one was $1. Number two was we try 11. 11 I'm no king. Oko port to our council 11 and so the tax for we am refunding. Be tax biaba for aba. Me my car August year dream and me home. Sa tax no me fair no the previous year na ni ho. Nti omo buy no omo de new. Ni bibi for na fa bifu from na which is even worse. Na ka tell say oh yeah you go for the buy free but on can't tell say bifu from
any power platforms on you. Sometimes kasa na every anyone can in a womb, but my evidence do because obi so keba or tip of so share some now can.
Unia TikTok is in a way.
Evidence but I
Would you think me no work as one on one commit me the a yachro bill of lading yachro.
All time for the any your propaganda in a way say propaganda in your platforms or won't see us here.
Unia propaganda sema okay. I can tell you something right now. You know about your friend of trust on the same people in your life so. And this in the Bible say 24-hour economy no. Or say number one thing a year juma at the enter DMV or say 24 hours. You know say unia turn and wutan. Yeah, tia. At the enter DMV. When I go and do 1 year more. Obi could tablet.
You be a port 24 hours for 2 months just to clear Ibrahim Mahama excavators on.
Then you know, Oria no because we be port 24 hours.
Say you can say you be at times you be we more. You ain't mean can pebia mo bi baby a party no.
We no say no.
Frank with you.
And voice.
Sorry to say minchwano. To be frank with you, or modie onim efititi. Obi o MPP ni bia ni so me atrofo. Na die ne be come NDC fo no. Anasa omo ye floating voters no. Omo hu se ko dada omo. Na omo adwembo omo chi no na yim focus on. But tron die ni so omo de omo atrofo da. Ba cho wa. Minchwano
power no.
O se o ka se ayi
Where chief inspector messel say come on for announce na enya kwan ba mu bi na se be ya betimi akọ we no bi
chief what's the mark and dem gitum we are right now we say na ya na be pese meka na enya bi ti say voice onim your party mu communicators ni bi no na what kire mo say if these things are truly happening which we all do am court to the sonia dia mo for evidence nemra because kaka these people omunti ukuje tu that a deben one may TV so papers be 1,000 ba yen tro hwi wo or say this is the document and tron doso and na police phone dem want me from be now say IMF for go for the coin to me fa. Are we serious tibibia blame game Captain Smart Jimmy phone could be in no so exams na police for no copper among person may apply no could go here normal failing no kufu adunti. Like what is this? I don't know person go people for anymore sir. Na dey me ya wo na kwase bi tinchen no gidi. Because how can obi the talk against kufu adunti be and pass a test? How do you even prove that? It mean ya insanity your party phone penny phone ya may you near America for the propaganda near to about funny way to win power again in 2028. Ya may you near bring any vigilante ya free a better position ya papa voice I'm a man no see no be madam say
okay me da say inspector 5 minutes be mo bi
me the dos one better take as 1 minute be pay sorry minia no kasa na me pese me kaboki and friends e kwamrefi ma hu ne din yi ma follow no ba ma hwe
kasapa
kasapa the okabia me no ya but what I just want you to know no I am there for baby ade ba no because yenua no ya no mutie no saa kratasem ne nyuma na ya na ka no enu ti na pese me twen MPF adwe koso yezu man kontasem ne kratasem no hia too much sometimes no me ka no krache wonu ma de nche o ma ko school ha ye mkwa PhD ye kwa degree you understand yen church mu to the stand say the what form no ahọ na hia me pa the ono wo yekrum ho no o to hwe platform yo no phone no hwe so a no o tie kasa obeti de e kana se but what you say menua friends voice what you say all they making us aha because unim the kasape kana no ano wa mama evidence be bree okra kana nsien o tax yanko timika tax na ka me ko search enti na busa no nye bibia o na me daba be dwedwam ama nipa hu sese because unim enye 11 free so ya mon kan yi 11 free so D11 buy ni na 11 but the tennis back so chen back that's the only difference D11 no it is more than a D11 ye ka obi be participating in you in daily life D11 no it is more than 11 and no nyina intimi chichi mu ama nipa hu how it is the fantasy I can't twam ye twam bibia no twam that's so ye argument ye twam we can still talk about it but what you say and it's okay car now there's a new tax now so car be bold and be know what you are saying
no me hu ayi na wo kan
very good very
Okay, me da say mama dey
no a voice also hu but e bia na e bi odbe on fan ba dey chiri be kan wa say but the thing is mama no see a good plan or can but the thing is MPP NDC for no menua voice yentia say omode we cannot challenge them with a tro ye dey enquire for yentimi ni omo ntwe atro na atro so che enquire what you say but no quire ade ba ko no quire ho say no matter say atro no so no quire ba be kun kan one day at the end of all the program no quire ba be dane so ama bibia aye clean ama entro no ba biem enti ye man yembu ya ba mbu si ye ka no kure ne da ya ba mbu omo de enim so omo ya trofo in advance bra enyan kai currently Ghana ni bia most 70% of Ghanaians enim so omo ya trofo as we are speaking because obi anim kura na kokofo beka we omo and this phone beka say na mo ye mo ya to on kura na mo fa adwuma yi na de mo de ye ni nti hwan na enim so omo ya trofo that's their life but say ye concentrate your time e wo homo a we are still with them. No. We are fighting for something that it belongs to us. So we need to prove what we have and what we know is best for us, best for Ghanaians, to let them know. But my tron the Michelle, you can't say we can't know. And one thing I make can be here. I'm going to be a truthful being generally. But you may not see. That's it.
Okay, Mr. Medasi.